This is the SMB Forex Daily Review for 7/25/2012. My name is Mark Principato, and thank you for watching. First, I want to start out with the support and resistance levels on the S&P and Euro Dollar. As you can see, these blue boxes, they represent the levels that I post on the Twitter feed each morning at the start of the New York session. They also serve as reference points to look for confirmation of buyers and sellers and measure risk from. As we can see at the stock market open, the S&P sold off from its daily pivot, reached its second pivot. Now the Euro Dollar did the same type of thing here, touched its daily pivot resistance, touched one of them, and worked its way to another daily pivot. Now at the same time, what I want to emphasize here the most in this video is the S&P and Euro relationship and what it told us in the middle of the trading session today. Now, after this sell-off from the daily high, you'll notice that the S&P gave us some selling with conviction. This large bearish candle right here. We took out the support and we were pushing. Now, if you notice, around that same time, Euro Dollar refused to push any lower. The candles got very small and there was just no conviction at a pretty important support level. Now, this is a big heads up for shorts. It tells me that the Euro Dollar is acting relatively strong to the S&P, and as soon as S&P holds or stabilizes or recovers, this thing is going to pop. Alright, so in a very slow market, this thing can bounce anywhere from 10 to 15 pips, but for a scalper, that's not bad. So when you're looking for scalping opportunities and you're using these support and resistance levels, make sure you keep this relationship in mind at all times with any pair that's crossed with the US dollar. Alright, because it can give you that heads up and at least prepare you for what can happen next, what has a higher probability, or at least keep you out of the wrong side. Alright, in this case, like I was putting in Twitter all morning, avoid shorts in this area, if anything. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you learned something from this, and I will speak to you next time. Thank you.